Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. We know everyone was so excited to witness the revealing of the new lightweight single engine fighter jet by Sukhoi at the MAX 2021 Air Show event on 20th July 2021. The name for this new mystery fighter was kept as Su-75 Checkmate. The main intention for revealing this fighter is to catch the single engine market and to compete with the United States Lockheed Martin F-35. Sukhoi claimed the prototype of Checkmate will make its maiden flight in 2023 and the deliveries could start by 2026 tentatively. It looks like Russia plans to produce at least 300 of these aircrafts over 15 years once the serial production begins. Russia is very eager to promote the newly revealed Checkmate fighter jet to many countries, and its main target is India. Since this is a single-engine fighter, it can be easily compared with Tejas Mark 1A and Tejas Mark II fighter jets. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited received a contract for 83 Tejas light combat aircraft during February 2021, and out of these 83, 73 of them would be Tejas Mark 1A variant and 10 of them would be Tejas Mark 1 trainer aircrafts. Post the order placement, there is a big responsibility for HAL to deliver these fighters on time and with all expected enhancements and quality. According to the contract, the first Tejas Mark 1A is to be delivered within 3 years of signing the deal, which should be 3rd February 2024 tentatively, and the remaining deliveries are to be completed in 9 years. Now coming back to Russia's new fighter jet comparison, let me do a quick comparison between this newly revealed Checkmate fighter with Tejas Mark 1A and Mark II. First thing to compare is the affordability. The Su-75 Checkmate is said to have a flyaway price of between 20 to 30 million US dollars, whereas the Tejas Mark 1A is said to have a cost of 41 million US dollars. The price of medium weight fighter or Tejas Mark II is yet to be disclosed. We don't have to be surprised with the price of Checkmate fighters being so low, since I'm sure based on the enhancements and the feature requests which will come from the interested countries, the price of these Checkmate fighters will obviously shoot up. Another great attraction of this new Russian fighter is its stealth technologies and the internal weapons bay which are not found in Tejas Mark 1A and Tejas Mark II. The maximum speed of the Checkmate fighter is said to be around Mach 1.8, whereas Tejas Mark 1A and Tejas Mark II will have speeds of Mach 1.6 and Mach 2.0 respectively. As per the different sources, the range of the Su-75 Checkmate, the Tejas Mark 1A and Tejas Mark II is said to be 1620 nautical miles, 459 nautical miles and 1300 nautical miles respectively. This might differ based on the different sources, so let's expect these fighters to come into reality and go through relevant testing to really see how much nautical miles they can travel as a range. Coming to the engine details, the newly revealed Checkmate fighter will be powered using one NPO Saturn AL41F1, which is said to have a power of 176 kN. Tejas Mark 1A is powered using one General Electric 404 F2 engine with 53 kN thrust dry and 90 kN with afterburner. Tejas Mark II is powered using one General Electric F414G INS6 afterburning turbofan engine with 58.5 kN thrust dry and 98 kN with afterburner. The Su-75 fighter will be equipped with an active electronically scanned array radar which is capable of tracking 30 targets simultaneously. Tejas Mark 1A and Tejas Mark II will be equipped with indigenous Uttam active electronically scanned array radar, which is said to have a capability to track 100 targets simultaneously, but not sure how much this is true. Even though Indian Air Force wouldn't change its mind from the upcoming Tejas Mark II or Tejas Mark 1A, we can see a great chance of India going for the MiG-21 Bison replacement with this new fighter jet. They can even consider this Checkmate fighter for 114 combat aircrafts program as well. We need to wait and watch if Russia gets a chance to sell these fighters to India in bulk order, just like Sukhoi Su-30 Mki fighters, which are said to be the backbone of Indian Air Force. So this was a quick update on Russia's first new single-engine fighter since the collapse of Soviet Union. Being a stealth-oriented fighter jet and a cost-efficient fighter jet, a powerful with a beautiful design would obviously make this new aircraft more beneficial for Russia. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to 10 Slide Info for more updates on defense and aviation. Thank you.